Here's the step 2 to build your gym operational systems. Listen to this. Document the 5 rituals that make your gym yours. You need to start creating your company core values. And you need to talk about it during the interview. It's really important, or whether during your onboarding process for your employees. But values without rituals are just words on a wall. Every gym that scales has non-negotiables for their core values. And these core values become part of the gym culture. The way a new member is welcome, the way a missed session is follow up, and the way a new complaint turn into loyalty. And even yung mga coaches, it's part of their values na pumasok na maaga, hindi mag-absent, and sumunod sa rules and to be more compliant. Even the cashier or enrollment attendant, it becomes natural for them to welcome or to be more hospitable and to give the proper care for their gym members. Rituals brings ownership to your gym staff. You don't need to micromanage them kasi it became part of their culture, their DNA, their lifestyle, kaya nagiging self-organized na sila. Hindi mo na sila kailangan laging babantayan o sasabihin ano yung mga dapat nilang gawin in daily operation ng isang gym. Listen to this. Gym culture breeds ownership, and ownership brings accountability. I'll give you the 5 non-negotiable gym rituals in the comment section below. Check this out.